Just for amusement, because I've already bought a new one, I'm going to try and remove this third brake light. But I know it's going to explode as soon as I touch it, because look at how sun damaged it is. So let's have a look just how it goes. To remove the cover, when this was soft and pliable plastic when it was new 20 something years ago, you just squeeze in these tabs and pull the cover back. And of course, with all of these years of heat, UV exposure and time, well, that plastic's not soft anymore. It just absolutely shatters as soon as you put the slightest amount of pressure on it. So yeah, good luck with that. And here's another demonstration. There's just no flexibility or structural rigidity in that plastic anymore. It just shatters. To remove the entire assembly, you just unlock it from the bottom. There is a tab that you flex, as seen here, and the whole thing can be removed. If you're going to put in a second-hand one, I would hope it's got a working bulb in it, because yeah, good luck changing that one, especially if it's an original. You have to take that coloured cover off, and I don't know how you're going to do that without it exploding. And it's a rather large bulb in there. With my new one, I will fit an LED before I fit it to the car.